Welcome to Nambardar TV. I'm your host Naveed Ahmad.
Festivals, each a profound display of the community's spiritual and cultural values. Eid Milad-un-Nabi, the birthday of Prophet Muhammad, shines with spiritual depth and jubilation. Homes and streets are decked in lights and colors, and the air resonates with devotional songs and prayers, bringing people together in a shared reverence. Eid ul-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting, with a festive surge. It's a time when the aroma of special dishes fills the air, and the rhythmic beats of traditional Saraiki music invite everyone to dance. This festival is not only a celebration of the completion of Ramadan, but also a time of giving, emphasized by the sharing of food and gifts among families and the less fortunate. Eid ul-Adha, commemorating the willingness of Ibrahim to sacrifice his son in obedience to God, is observed with solemn gratitude. Livestock are sacrificed as a symbol of devotion, and the meat is distributed among family, friends, and the needy, reinforcing bonds of community and compassion. Each festival in Saraiki culture is a vibrant tapestry of faith, joy, and community. What does innovation taste like in Saraiki culture? Perhaps it's as flavorful as their traditional dishes and as intricate as their handicrafts. Let's delve into the culinary heart of Saraiki culture with dishes that warm the soul and tantalize the palate. Sarsan ka saag, a vibrant, spicy mustard greens dish often paired with makiki roti, a flatbread made from cornmeal, exemplifies the rustic yet rich flavors of the region. The preparation of these dishes involves slow cooking techniques that enhance the natural flavors, while a blend of local spices adds a distinctive taste that is both hearty and comforting. Transitioning from the kitchen to the workshop, the artistic hands of the Saraiki people bring to life their traditional handicrafts. Pottery, weaving, and embroidery are not merely crafts, but are expressions of cultural identity and heritage. Each pottery piece, with its earthy tones and robust forms, tells a story of the soil it was born from. Textiles embroidered with intricate patterns showcase a palette of vibrant colors and complex designs that represent the festive spirit of Saraiki life. In every morsel and every stitch, the creativity and heritage of the Saraiki people flourish. As we journeyed through the vibrant lanes of Saraiki culture today, we've witnessed a world rich with tradition, art, and community. From the melodious strains of Saraiki coffee to the colorful swirls of traditional dances, each aspect tells a story. The festivals bring everyone together in celebration, while the unique cuisines offer a taste of the land's bounty. Handcrafted arts stand as testaments to centuries-old skills, weaving together a fabric of identity that is unmistakably Saraiki. Saraiki culture, with its deep roots and dynamic expressions, invites us all to appreciate the beauty of diversity and the bonds of humanity.